And today I ask myself if I want to contribute to the endless story of hatred, blood, and revenge. But I can't find a reason for that anymore. To me, life is my daughter, Pedro, the light, the day, this very moment, the memories, the future. To me, life itself has become the most important thing.